welcome to our Live Good Business presentation, the membership that pays. So, now, ano ang sabi ko po kanina? This presentation might be no the answer to all our prayers. So what if no isang certain opportunity na nakita natin and that one instant response no na ginawa natin ngayong gabi could thoroughly change the entire life no na dinidesire po natin. So before no ang ating pong presentation will be categorized into three parts: the company, okay, who are the people leading this, sino si Live Good. Number two is yung mga produkto po natin, and number three is the amazing opportunity. So for the benefit of those who doesn't know me yet, this is Vilma Sabulao, your diamond leader here in Live Good. So my life before Live Good, okay po, ako po ay isang accountant ng 13 years, a solo mom of 5 kids, at ang reason bakit ako sumali sa network marketing because gusto ko mapagtapos yung aking mga anak sa kolehiyo. And praise God, okay, dahil sa mag-18 years na po ako sa network marketing, napatapos ko yung mga anak ko. In short, no, yung buhay na meron ako dati is sobra talagang nabago. I've been a top achiever of 3 international companies including po Live Good. And ako yung naging kauna-unahang babae na naging diamond sa Live Good. I'm the 5th diamond here in the Philippines. I'm the founder of Live Good Soaring Eagles International, a happy mom, a grandmom, okay, your mentor, your coach. Okay po. So, paano ko po ba na-discover si Live Good, no? I joined 2023, February, magti 3 years na po tayo. Nakita ko po yung powerful landing page na shinare sa akin syempre ng aking upline. And right there and then, fall in love ako in just few minutes, no? Talagang nag-yes po ako and it was one of the best decision I ever did. So ngayon, kung nakita ko na maganda yung opportunity para sa mga bago na nakikinig po ng presentations natin, yung nashiran po ng video presentation na to, na bago yung buhay ko, na bago yung buhay ng maraming tao sa buong mundo, yung buhay mo ay pwede rin pong mabago. Okay, so because of Live Good, no, I regain my health and energy. To tell you honestly, I'm already 58. I'm turning 59 this 2026. And a lot of people promise, hindi po talaga sila naniniwala na yung edad ko ay magsi-senior citizen na ako in over a year time. Okay, talagang tinatanong nila, inuusisa nila yon. And I give credit to the industry that I've been for the ilang years na, no? Kasi talagang I'm using the product. I'm a product of the product. I built smart income with purpose na hindi lang para sa sarili ko. I want to be a blessing to other people. I help others grow and rise. I develop stronger relationship through continuous learning. I live with peace, passion, and direction. So yun, ano? So ngayon, so much about me. It's not so much about me talaga. Nagpakilala lang po ako para dun sa mga hindi po nakakakilala po sa akin. Now, I have a powerful question to all of you. What if Netflix started with an affiliate program? So kilalang kilala po natin si Netflix, no, na ito'y sikat na sikat. Ito po yung unti-unting pumatay ng blockbuster movie. Okay, nanood po ako ng movie nung last week. Alam nyo ba, iilang piraso lang kami sa loob ng sinihan. So, ngayon, what if si Netflix, no, binabayaran tayo pag nagre-refer tayo ng kaibigan, no? You refer a friend to watch or subscribe with Netflix at binabayaran tayo. So, and then, by sharing Netflix, we earn monthly bonuses from each members. At imagine niyo, si Netflix, meron na siyang 302 million members right now. So what if ganun ang scenario? However, my friends, no, hindi po ganun ang scenario. Kasi dito, wala pong bumabalik po sa atin. We just enjoy watching the Netflix, the movies, the unlimited movies, no? Pero ang yumayaman po is syempre yung may-ari po ng Netflix. Okay. So ngayon, bakit ko sinishare po ito sa inyo? Kasi itong ating pong business has something to do with that. Okay? And aside from Netflix, marami pa pong mga popular membership na alam po natin tong mga to. Like YouTube, Amazon, Netflix, Sam's, Costco, Disney. Okay? And many, many more. So itong mga to, itong mga popular membership or popular subscription companies, nagbabayad po tayo dyan either on a monthly basis or an annual basis. Nakakatipid tayo pag pag annual, as you can see, no? So si YouTube Pro, $13.99 per month. Pag nag 1 year ka, it's only $139.99. So nakatipid po ng 2 months. And dito, tingnan po natin on the opposite end, sa right side, meron pong 125 millions na si YouTube Pro. At so with the other popular membership companies, talagang milyon-milyon na po ang inabot po nila. So, ganon ka boomerang, no, yung company na yung industriya ng subscription. And because of this, no, yung ating pong company, no, yung ating pong CEO, nagdisenyo po siya ng ganito pong klase ng platform. And ang kaibahan lamang po ng ginawa po ng company natin, okay, itong mga popular membership that I mentioned like YouTube, Netflix, Costco, Sam's, Amazon Prime, and Disney, hindi po ito nagge-generate ng income. At itong ating pong company na tinawag po siya na Live Good, okay? Ang ganda po ng pangalan ng company natin, ano? This is the company that pays, no? So this is the form of membership that pays, na ibig sabihin each member save big amount of money on our membership model. So nagre-refer tayo ng kaibigan at sa bawat kaibigan na nagjo-join po sa atin, kumikita po tayo. And now, sino po ba talaga ito si Live Good? Si Live Good is the membership that pays, a revolutionary company. Tinawag po siyang revolutionary in a sense na game changer po siya at disruptor po in the industry. Bakit? Ang dami pong mga company ngayon na na-disrupt po talaga ang kanilang operation at yung iba po talaga ginagaya na po tayo, and little by little some other companies are trying to change their compensation plan as what we have. So ganun po yung nangyari. Ngayon, ano po yung kagandahan? Bakit ako personally, no, bakit nakita ko to, sumali po ako agad? Kasi kitang-kita ko po yung pagiging revolutionary platform niya. Dahil ito po yung isang negosyo na tinanggal po lahat ng mga pahirap. Ito po yung ayaw ng tao. Yung quota, auto ship, points monitoring, forced buying of the products na kahit hindi mo kailangan kasi kailangan mo mag-maintain, mayroon kang quota, bibili ka talaga. So dito, wala na pong ganun. Wala na rin po yung mga highly overpriced products. Palakpakan po natin si Live Good for that. So ako, yun po yung reason bakit po ako na in love. And na in love sa Live Good. Okay. So ito po ay ni-launch December 13 of 2022. Magti 3 years na tayo, ilang tulog na lang. Okay, with over 2 million members, na kung saan this is the form of membership that pays. So like Amazon, si Amazon po, konting history lang tayo, nag-umpisa po siya as an online bookseller. So, kalaunan, after 5 years, lumaki po si Amazon. May mga libro na, may mga video, music, offering clothings, electronics, toys, kitchenware, and even magazine subscription, and many, many more. So, ganun po nag-umpisa si Amazon. After 5 years po siya nag-expand. At ito pong story po ni Amazon, dyan po na-inspire ang ating pong company na si Live Good. And like Amazon, nag-umpisa din po tayo sa mga wellness products, but we keep on improving and adding on more products and services sa ating pong back office. So meron na din po tayong skincare, soon to be household, maglo-launch na, fundraising, pets, may mga pets na dyan, yung travels, no, worldwide, finance, solar, crypto, AI, just to name a few, and many, many more. So continuous growth po ang nangyayari po kay Live Good. And with this, no, si Live Good po is the Amazon of social marketing. Grabe, no? So ito po yung next Amazon ng social marketing. Pinapalakpakan po yan. Kasi ako po, dyan po ako super duper excited sa company natin na Live Good. Kasi imaginein mo, si Amazon ay may 302 million members na po. Grabe. So ngayon ay nasa over 2 million members pa lang po tayo. A long way to go. Hello? So ang lawak po ng market, and the good thing is, Live Good is present in 200 plus countries, at sa Pilipinas pa lang hindi pa nga natin na ma-maximize. So what about building in other countries? So ganun po siya kaganda. And then Live Good is not a health and wellness company. Okay? Bakit? Kasi nakita niyo naman sa screen, we will be expanding into other product lines. And the membership is the product that we promote. So, yun po yung ating pong binibenta dito, yung membership, okay? So, there are no buying and selling of unwanted products or services. Hindi po ito tulad po ng mga dating nakasanayan po natin na bibilhin mo yung produkto kasi quota mo. So, dito, bibili ka kung kailan mo siya kailangan. And this is also your one-stop online wholesale superstore. So, lahat ng kailangan mo, parang bibilhin mo na lang in one platform. So, are you with me? So ngayon, next is, what do I love with Live Good? Ano ba yung nagustuhan ko talaga po dito? Number one, syempre, the people leading the company. We are headed by CEO Ben Glinsky. So he has been in the industry for more than 20 years, owning and running some of the most successful company in nutritional supplements. And the good thing, Sir Ben is a network marketer before and he knows how to help people win. Kaya kung makikita nyo na po talaga si Live Good ng mas malalim, napaka-pro network marketer po talaga nito. Okay, grabe no? So yung napaka-user-friendly, even yung pagta-transfer ng account mo into other person, wala nang mga chet-chet morechet. Okay? So hindi kagaya nung dati naming company talaga may mga babayaran ka pa just to transfer the account. So ganun po kagaling si Sir Ben. And syempre, as we continue, doon mo makikita yung kagandahan po ng ating pong company. Syempre, true leadership creates true success. Kumbaga sa music, napakakamado na po ng tatlong taong ito, no? Including, i-add natin si Sir Ben Glinsky, ito po yung apat na corporate owners po natin. So we have here Dr. Ryan Goodkins, the Director of Product Development. Siya po yung nag-develop ng ating po mga products, okay? So, Ma'am Lisa Goodkins, the Director of Product Education, every Monday, pwede po tayong mag-tune in sa ating pong Live Good Facebook page, okay? Meron po tayo mga trainings about the different products po of Live Good. And of course, no, the Director of Field Development to discuss to us deeper on the marketing side is no other than Sir Nodar Kasan. So ito po yung mga taong hinahangaan ko po kasi talagang they walk the talk. Okay? So nakikita po natin yung kanilang dedication, passion, and hard work. And next is, ano po ba ang mission po ni Live Good? Siyempre, ito po yung isa sa napakaganda pong yung heart ng company, bakit meron po tayo. And that is to help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. Kasi by the way guys, no, si Live Good po ay ipinanganak po ito nung after nung pandemic. Kasi ang goal dito is nakita kasi natin na value po natin that health is the best wealth. Do you agree? Agree po ba tayo that the health is the best wealth? Kasi pag hindi po tayo nag-focus no on really working on our health, para po tayong nag-iipon ng pambayad ng medical bills, no? Para po tayo nagbabayad ng pambili ng mga gamot at saka ng hospital bills in the future. Okay, so dito magpapaka-healthy po tayo sa murang halaga. Kaya tuloy-tuloy po tayo makinig. It's time to make a change. Okay. So, at sabi po dito ni Sir Nodar Kasan, the days of selling overpriced products, so a few people on top of the compensation plan can get rich are over. So, wala na po talaga yung mga mamahaling produkto. Kasi yung produkto po dito kay Live Good, what is exciting is, mabibili po natin ito at almost factory price. Nag-iikot-ikot po yung mata ko dito sa table ko. So happy na nasa malayo po yung aking pong products. Okay, so meron po pala ako ditong Super Red sa aking may bandang kaliwa. So ito po yung mga products po natin. Okay, so kagaya po nitong Super Reds na to, grabe mabibili mo ito ng napakamurang halaga na nandyan na po yung endurance, energy, and electrolytes. So talagang palalakasin po kayo nitong products po natin. So wala na po yung mga highly overpriced products na yan. Ngayon, bakit po kayo sasali sa Live Good? Okay, sa mga nakikinig po sa atin dyan for the first time, ito pong Live Good na to. So hello sa mga nakikinig sa atin dyan sa live. Paki-share nyo po ito pong ating pong presentation. So bakit po kayo sasali kay Live Good? Number one is for your health. So we all know, no, na health is wealth. Ang buhay natin maiksi lang. Iisa lang ang buhay natin. So kailangan alagaan po talaga natin ito habang hindi pa huli ang lahat. So dito, we are are going to get top quality products at almost factory price. So that is the primary reason bakit po tayo magjo-join kay Live Good. And number 2 is for smart income. So tayo po, dasal ng dasal po tayo ng mga opportunity, pero without us realizing it, na yung opportunity nasa harap na po natin. Bakit ko po nasabi, no? Ito po yung business, no? Na as we later on, pag pumunta na tayo sa compensation plan, maiintindihan nyo po yung sinasabi ko na itong smart income, bakit po siya smart? Kasi it's very, very affordable, it's highly affordable, it's very duplicatable, and very, very simple. Grabe, no? Pero pag trinabaho mo po siya, pwede kang magkaroon ng life-changing, lucrative opportunity. So dito, you got only to share, you earn, and help others live better. So yun po yung mga kadahilanan, no? The top 2 most reason bakit po tayo sasali kay Live Good. And of course, no, we have here, no, the high quality and very affordable products. So lahat po ng mga produkto natin are made in USA, certified by GMP, the Good Manufacturing Practices, USDA, United States Department of Agriculture. Pagpapatunay po ito na yung mga produkto po natin ay organic, laboratory tested for purity and potency. So hindi lang po ito ginawa sa backyard, okay? And meron po tayong 100% money back guarantee na within 90 days, no? Pag hindi nag-work sa iyo yung product, pwede natin yang ibalik with no questions asked. But only when you want it, you buy only the product, when you want it. No necessary purchases kung hindi naman po kailangan. So that's Live Good, no? That's the products that we have. So the question is, paano po ba ako dito mag-o-order? So number 1 is pwede kang mag-order as consumer or member. So consumer, syempre, para kang end customer. So you pay at retail low price kasi almost factory price nga po no? Kahit non-member price, non-member price, murang-mura pa rin po yung Live Good products natin. Okay, so members, pay low prices. Siyempre, kung member po tayo, mas mura ng dihamak po yung ating po mga produkto. Ngayon, the question next is, how to become a Live Good member? Siyempre, kung tayo yung papipiliin, mas gusto natin yung makakatipid po tayo. So, you just go to the person na nag-invite po sa inyo, nag-share po sa inyo ng video na to, okay, yung nag-invite sa inyo dito sa Zoom, okay, at magbayad po tayo ng $9.95, that's less than 600 pesos, at member na po tayo ng Live Good. At dahil po dito, makakabili na po tayo ng mga produkto at wholesale price, okay? Almost factory price po ito, and stay active by paying your monthly subscription with Live Good. So it's just as simple as that. Ngayon, ano naman po ang benefits? We save up to 75% lesser or lower than the competitor. So makikita po natin yan later on, okay, kung gaano po kamura yung ating po mga products. And with that, para yun sa mga member. So what about if gusto mo ba na hindi ka lang user, you're also a pusher? Joke lang po, no? So ibig sabihin, tayo din po ay nag-share ng opportunity. Would you love to have an income at least $2,000 or more? So ilan dito sa atin ang gusto ng income? At least kikita ka ng $2,000 per month, month after month after month, or even higher. So makinig po tayo kasi ipapaliwanag po natin yan. So dito, kung gusto nyo ng ganong income, you need to become an affiliate member of Live Good. Okay. So kagaya ng member, punta ka lang din sa sponsors link, yung taong nag-invite po sa inyo, at hindi lang po $10, magbabayad po tayo ng $40. This is our affiliate sign-up fee. So, ibig sabihin, one time lang po natin to babayaran, and then magbabayad na lang po tayo ng $9.95 per month as a member. Grabe po, no? So, yun lang po yung monthly overhead po natin. Hello. So, you pay only a subscription of $10, pero meron po mga dividends, may income, may lucrative pay plan na ibibigay po sa atin si Live Good. Kaya, stay tuned tayo. So, dito, yung ating pong $40 is only one time. And you have the option to pay either on a monthly basis or on an annual basis. So kung magmamonthly ka lang muna, that's $49.95, less than 3,000 pesos. Isipin mo, where can you find an opportunity na less than 3,000 pesos ang puhunan to start with and the rest will be less than 600 pesos. Pero per month, month after month after month. So yun po lang yung ating pong monthly overhead po talaga. Ngayon, if you plan to pay ng yearly, makakatipid po tayo kagaya ng pinakita ko kanina, no? So, pag yearly po, that's only $139.95. So, $140, nasa 8,000 plus lang po yan. So, kung gusto niyo naman, pwedeng mag-monthly lang muna kayo, mag $50 muna, and then mag-upgrade na lang po kayo on the next succeeding month. So, ganun po yung ginawa ko. Ngayon, the next part is, as an affiliate member, ano po yung mga benefits po dyan? So, nagbayad ka na ng $40, no? Number one, affiliation for life. So, hindi po yan nag-i-expire, no? Magbabayad ka lang ng inyong subscription every month. Number two, complete digital business suite. Grabe po ito, no? Sobrang more than 100% value for money. Kasi meron po tayo ditong 4 replicated website. You have your own back office with your password. You have your powerful landing page. You have your retail site store at meron ka pang free health assessment report na pwede mong ibigay sa mga kaibigan kakilala mo or i-promote mo yon to help people na ma-diagnose nila paano ba sila mag-uumpisang magpaka-healthy using the Live Good products. Okay? So my free health assessment report, there are 3 personalized questionnaire na sasagutan po natin, and then after that, para po tayo nagpakonsulta kay Dr. Ryan Goodkins. Dahil si Live Good, mag-i-email po sa atin at i-advise ka na, hello, Mr. Migs, no? Mag-start ka muna sa ganitong product, blah, 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 blah. Depende sa isinagot nyo doon sa questionnaire. Understand po? Understood. So those are the 4 replicated websites. And number 3 is meron po, you will participate na doon sa ating pong compensation plan, which I gonna be sharing to you very, very shortly. At meron din po tayong multi-channel payout system. So that's the benefits once you become an affiliate member. Ngayon punta naman po tayo sa price comparison para makita natin kung gaano po kasulit pag tayo po ay nagsusubscribe kay LiveGood. So example po, ito pong ating pong Super Greens. Ang presyo po niyan is only $18 plus the shipping fee, of course, no? At ikumpara po natin yung mga competitor po natin. Yung Organifi, alam nyo magkano po ang presyo niyan? 74% ang matitipid natin. It's almost $70. At ito naman pong Athletic Greens, no? That's $99.99, $100 na nga, no? 81% po ang ating pong matitipid. So tingnan nyo yung benepisyo, no? Ang laki na natipid mo, ang monthly overhead lang na idadagdag mo is only $10. So kahit sabihin mo, nag-member ka kay LiveGood, $18 from $10, $28 lang yun. Kumpara mo naman sa other companies, malaki pa rin po ang natipid po natin. So that's how we gonna make our price comparison. At pagdating naman po sa retail price at saka sa members price, you save at least, no? How many dollars? Para sa multivitamins, that's you are saving around $8 per bottle. So sa isang bottle pa lang, $8 na. And what about other products? Example po, itong mushroom, organic coffee, at saka yung plant-based protein. So sa plant-based protein, nakakatipid ka ng $12 at ang organic coffee naman, nakakatipid po tayo dito ng $11. So that's the savings, the big savings that we get, no, pag tayo po ay affiliate or member kay LiveGood. Okay. So ngayon, okay. So visit po kayo sa ating pong website for more products. Ang dami po nating produktong padagdag ng padagdag po. Grabe, no? So si Coach Vic, nakainom na siya ng yung pang severe arthritis. Tama, Coach Vic? Ano pang pangalan nun? Anong pangalan nun, Coach Vic? Nung binili mo na pang severe osteoarthritis?
Osteo
Osteocomplete. Grabe, no? Kaya wala na talagang aray. Ipakita mo nga, Coach Vic, yung wala ng aray. So, ang dami po ngayong mga matatanda. Thank you, Coach Vic, for sharing. Ang dami na pong mga matatanda na talagang yan po yung kalaban nila, yung mga tuhod, yung mga rayuma, yung mga gout. Grabe, ano pang hinahanap nyo kay Live Good? Talagang ang gagawin lang mo po natin is maging intentional tayo, maging focus tayo of really sharing the great advantage po ng mga produkto na meron tayo. Mura na, di kalidad pa. At para malaman mo po yan, punta po kayo sa ating pong website at magsawa kayo sa Kasya Shopping. Basahin niyo po lahat yan. I'm telling you, pag nabasa niyo po isa-isa yung mga benefits ng product, sasabihin mo, this is it, pansit. Palakpakan po natin si Live Good. Grabe talaga, hindi pwedeng hindi po kayo magsha-shopping. Okay, so and by the way, para dun sa mga gusto ng product ng madalian, ang inyong lingkod ay sadyang namimili po para makatulong po ako sa inyo na yung product ay makuha nyo right away. But of course, you can always buy your products from your dashboard kasi drop shipping method po tayo. Okay? So, punta po din kayo sa mga iba nyong uplines kasi may mga products po yan sila dahil para makatry at makagamit na po kayo right away. And the good thing of this, we are open in 200 plus countries. Yung mga kamag-anak, kakilala natin sa ibang bansa, i-share mo lang ang inyo pong replicated website. Understood? Grabe, ang ganda po ng opportunity natin. Ngayon, I would like to introduce to you ito pong ating pong international pack. This is one of the products na selling like hotcake, almost free shipping po. So parang ang patong lang po ni Live Good dyan, baka $20 lamang po. Or parang ang liit-liit lamang po, no? So dito po, the member's price is only $99.95. Siyempre, yung ating puhunan dito ang mag-antay po tayo. Okay? Mag-antay po tayo kasi siyempre hindi naman right away yan, galing US pa yan. Pero sobrang value for money kasi meron ka ng complete multivitamins for men and women. Pipili ka lang kung pambabae o panlalaki. So, syempre lahat po tayo kailangan natin ng bioactive complete vitamins. And by the way, bakit kailangan nagtitake po tayo ng vitamins? Dahil yung mga kinakain po natin, konting kaalaman lang, no? Pag hindi po tayo nag-supplement, grabe, no? Ang isang bagay na natutunan ko para ma-obtain natin yung magiging healthy, 4 na bagay. Okay? Okay lang ba mag-share? Number 1 is kumain ng tamang food. Pangalawa, matulog ng maayos. Okay? Number 3, mag-exercise. At number 4, ito yung kinakalimutan, mag-take ng supplement. Kaya meron pong Live Good opportunity dahil tayo po yung mga educator. Hello? Tayo po yung mag-share sa mga tao para i-educate sila that health is wealth. Understood po? So dito, yung multivitamins is very important kasi yung mga kinakain po natin, alam nyo guys, hindi na po complete food. Kasi yung lupa, depleted na yung soil, wala na yung mga nutrients, nabawasan na yung iron, yung calcium, kaya kailangan po natin mag-take ng mga supplements, especially the multivitamins. At ito naman pong super greens, grabe, kung hindi ka nakakakain ng gulay, ito yung magbibigay sa'yo ng immune protection, okay? Ito yung mag-i-strengthen ng inyong immunity at faster recovery, okay? Stress support, grabe kung na-stress ka, inom ka lang yan, and digestive enzymes. Marami na po tayong natulungan dyan, especially yung mga nag-i-insulin. They are taking the organic super greens. May testimony po tayo na nabawasan po, hindi na po siya nag-i-insulin after taking these products. Our sharer was from Australia. And this Super Reds, no? Grabe. Yung Super Reds is one of the powerful product po natin kasi it's really very good for cardiovascular health. Alam nyo ba na 32% na cause ng death ay dahil sa atake sa puso. Kaya dapat ingatan po natin yung ating pong heart. And itong Super Reds, malaking tulong po ito. It's good for proper blood circulation, even yung sexual support, and syempre yung brain and cognitive function. So, para ma-enhance yung ating pong memory. And another products na grabe, no? Consistent po ito as top 1 Number one top selling product po ito ng Live Good. Wala pong iba kundi yung Factor 4. Kasi all-in-one, okay? Apat po na components in one bottle, pinagsama-sama. Andiyan po yung garlic, turmeric, CoQ10, at saka yung fish oil. So, grabe po, all-in-one, in just one supplements, in one capsule, nandoon po yung apat na yan. Kaya, sobrang ambisa po niyan, ang bilis po ng epekto ng ating pong anti-inflammatory product which is Factor 4. And then the vitamin D3K2, papaliwanag ko lang po itong itong pong ating pong international pack. Kasi yan po yung pinaka-basic na I would suggest you have to use that first, okay? Yung D3K2 naman po, ito yung ating pong sunlight in a bottle. Sunlight in a bottle. Kasi yung sunlight, napaka-importante po yan para po sa ating pong immune system. Okay po? So, at yan pong D3K2, yan din po yung nag-i-enhance ng effect ng ating pong ultra magnesium. So, kumbaga, mayroon siyang synergistic effect, no? Together with the other products na ginagamit natin, at si D3K2 nakakatulong para mas lalong mabisa yung effect ng mga other supplements na ini-intake po natin. Are you with me? Hello? So last one is the Ultra Magnesium Complex. Grabe itong Ultra Magnesium Complex natin kasi meron po yung 300 biochemical reactions sa ating pong katawan na bibigyan ka din po ng proper and sound uninterrupted sleep na wherein maganda din po siya sa ating mga bones, mga nerves, and so on and so forth. So with this, no, mabibili niya lang yung 6 na yan sa halaga pong $99.95. So, I would suggest every month, bumili po kayo niyan sa dashboard nyo. Palakpakan nyo po si Live Good. Ayan, palakpakan po natin. So, those are the amazing products that we have and a lot more sa ating pong back office po talaga. And now, next, meron po tayo ditong mga testimonials, no, para mabasahin lang po, dalawa lang po tong basahin ko. Sabi po ni Lilinel, no, the Factor 4 Advanced Formula is effective for me because the cyst on my armpit is gone. It's amazing and I couldn't believe but it's true. Isipin mo yung bukol niya sa kanyang kilikili na wala po dahil po sa Factor 4. So basahin din naman po natin ito pong si Kendall, no? Sabi po ni Kendall is, since I started taking super greens, my energy level have gone through the roof. My blood pressure is now stable and my fiber, great, no stomach pain and no bloating. Thanks Super Greens and love guys behind the products. Grabe po, no? So, yun, pumunta po kayo sa ating pong replicated website. At the end po, doon sa dulo po ng ating pong product descriptions, doon nyo po makikita yung mga reviews or mga testimonies po ng mga taong gumagamit po ng ating pong products. So, grabe, palakpakan po natin. We're already done on the company profile as well as into the products. Okay. So, doon pa lang sa dalawa na yon, swak na tayo. Tama. So, sino dito yung gusto nyo, di ba, factory price natin gagamitin yung products. So, what about if andun na tayo sa last part, natuturuan tayo paano nito gumamit ng libre na may sukli pa. Gusto nyo ba yon? Hello? So, kumbaga i-build natin yung business, libre natin iniinom yung product at kumikita ka pa ng limpak-limpak. Okay, sige, tuloy na po tayo, no? So, let's go to the last part. Ito na po yung ating pong compensation plan, the most awaited part. So, dito po kay Live Good, meron po tayong 9 ways to earn. Siyam na kaparaanan paano po tayo kumita. At dito po, there are two structures. Paano po tayo binabayaran po ni Live Good. So yung number one structure po ng ating pong pay plan, ito po yung infinite wide. Ibig sabihin, you can enroll as many as you can. Okay, unlimited po yung structure niya. At meron ka pang uni-level up to the 10 levels deep. So that is the first structure. And then the second structure is, ito po yung forced matrix 2x15 levels deep. Ito naman po yung triangular structure ni Live Good na kung saan This is the heart and soul of the pay plan. Kasi grabe, ito po yung pinaka-strength po na merong kay Live Good na hindi mo po ito basta-basta makikita sa ibang kumpanya. At dito, pag-usapan po natin ano itong mga to. Number one is the weekly fast start. I call it now income. Ito naman pong retail commissions, ito yung pag tayo po ay nagbebenta ng products, meron po tayong commission na pumapasok po sa ating pong bank account or sa ating pong website kung isinishare po natin yung products po doon sa ating pong mga kakilala all over 200 plus countries. And meron din po tayong influencer bonuses kung ikaw naman po ay influencer at binibenta mo yung product sa TikTok and everything, pag bulk niyan, meron po tayong mga certain bonuses. And meron din po tayong customer acquisition bonuses. Ito naman po yung nakukuha natin na fast start bonus on the first product na ino-order po ng ating pong mga directs at directs ng ating directs. So one time po ito sa first purchase po ng ating pong mga personal leg. Okay? Meron din po tayong free products na but this for me, for my opinion, this is very good po sa US kasi ang delivery system po nila mas mabilis kaysa dito po sa atin. Okay, so and we can have a training on this also if you are interested. Pero magfo-focus muna po tayo doon sa madali pong maunawaan. So next one is the Diamond Bonus Pool and then the Crown Diamond Bonus Pool. So itong nasa left side na under category ng Infinite Wide, yan po yung kinasasakupan niya. Diyan po tayo kikita pag tayo po ay nag-i-enroll ng tao. Dito naman po sa Forced Matrix, ito po yung mo-earn natin, yung matching bonus at saka yung matrix commission. Yung matching bonuses, meaning to say, nagmamatch po tayo ng income ng mga taong ini-enroll natin. Okay? At yung matrix commission, yan po yung pwede po tayong kumita dito ng passive income. So, sa forced matrix, okay, 2 by 15 levels, ito po yung part ng ating pong compensation plan na you can even earn without enrolling people. Okay? Ito po yung sinabi po ng ating pong CEO. Pero yung kataga po kasi na yan, hindi po ibig sabihin na huwag kang mag-enroll. Magkaiba po yun. Hindi po sinabi, you can even earn without enrolling. Okay, totoo po yun. Okay? Pero hindi niya po sinabi na huwag kang mag-enroll. Okay po? So, understand. So, papaliwanag ko po sa inyo. So, ito pong 9 ways to earn. Explain ko po sa inyo na there are two structure. Yan po yung itsura ng Unilevel. Ikaw tong nasa taas, you can enroll as many people as you can. At sila din, gagawin nila kung ano yung ginawa mo, hanggang 10 levels, kumikita po kayo. At ito naman pong 2 by 15 forced matrix, okay? So, triangle po yan, you will enroll with your first two, and you teach the two to duplicate and do the same thing. Unenroll and enroll again. So, ganun lang siya, hanggang 15 levels, binabayaran po tayo dyan. So, sa siyam po nakitaan, ang papaliwanag ko po ngayong gabi ay 4 lang, no? So, dito po sa Infinite Wide, 10 levels deep at saka Matrix Commission, dyan po mapapaloob yung i-explain ko po muna yung 4 ways paano po tayo mag-earn kay Live Good. So, dito muna po tayo sa 4 na to kasi pag naintindihan po natin yan, grabe, no? It is really more than enough na. So we have the weekly fast start bonus, okay? Meron din po tayong, ang tawag ko po sa weekly fast start bonus, ang tawag ko po dyan is now income or the active income, okay? Ito naman pong matrix commissions, ang tawag ko po dito ay passive income or the residual income, yung income na tuloy-tuloy papasok sa'yo buwan-buwan kahit natutulog ka, kahit nasa bakasyon ka, okay? So, and last is, meron din po tayong matching bonuses. Ito po yung royalty bonus or I call it as an unlimited income because you can enroll as many as you can. You can build as many leaders as you can. Okay? Grabe, no? And number 4 is the Diamond Bonus Pool. Parang co-owner income po ito. Ngayon, mga kapatid, okay, sa ganda po ng opportunity ng Live Good, I have 2 powerful questions on you. How would you love to have an income na magbibigay sa'yo ng passive, unlimited residual income? Meaning to say, gagawin mo to ngayon, no? Pero pakikinabangan mo to in the long-term basis. How many of you wants that? nagbabakasyon ka, natutulog ka, you enjoy time with your family, okay? Hindi ka na hustle and grind, pero kumikita ka pa rin. And that's the beauty of the passive income. And the greatness of the unlimited income because it is unstoppable. And next one is, how would you love to create a life that you wanted to be? Alam mo yun, yung mabubuhay ka sa uri ng buhay na gusto mong maging. How many of you wants that? Meron kang kapayapaan, meron kang sigla, 'di ba? Hindi ka namomroblema sa pera, nakakatulong sa kapwa, nagiging blessing ka, you become a better person. How would you love that? Ready na po ba tayo pakinggan yung life-changing opportunity ng Live Good? Hello? Andiyan pa po ba kayo? Paramdam naman po kayo, pwede bang maglagay po kayo ng apoy? Pwedeng maglagay kayo ng powerful emoji, heart, fire emoji dyan po sa ating pong chat box para ganahan naman po yung ating pong speaker. Okay, kasi pagdating sa part na to, medyo dyan ako nagliliyab. Okay? Dito na po tayo nagliliyab. Okay. So, umpisa na po natin. Sige, magpa-apoy po tayo. Maglagay po kayo dyan ng mga fire emoji sa ating pong comment section. So, para paramdam po kayo na nandyan kayo. Thank you mga coaches. Thank you mga coaches. Yes, feel the fire. Okay? So, thank you so much. Ayan po, grabe yung excitement. Salamat po sa inyo pong lahat. So, ngayon, punta na po tayo sa first way to earn. Ito po yung weekly fast start bonus. Okay, so ito po yung now income. Ito po yung ating pong active income. Ito yung now income. Ibig sabihin, ngayon, pag trinabaho mo ngayon, next week magkakapera ka na kasi weekly nga po tayo binabayaran. So, kung magkano ang gusto mong kitain, makinig po tayo mabuti ha, kaya walang magrereklamo po na walang income kay Live Good. Okay, kung magkano ang gusto mong kitain this week, okay, kaya mo siyang trabahuin this week. Hello? Magkano bang gusto mong komisyon? Gusto mong kumomisyon ng 6,000 next week? Mag-enroll ka ng 4 na tao ngayon. Papaliwanag ko po sa inyo yan. So every time na nagre-refer ka ng isang tao sa Live Good, yung direct referral mo, meron kang kita agad, which is $25. At kapag marami kang nashiran, mas maraming papasok na weekly income. Meaning, okay, ma-maximize natin yung opportunity kung talagang hahatawin lamang tayo natin ng mabuti. So you keep on sharing, you keep on connecting, you keep on inviting. Meaning to say, active income, kikilos, mag-share po tayo ng opportunity. Ito pong weekly fast start commissions, ito po yung ating pong instant cash flow. Hello? Can you please type instant cash flow? So, instant cash flow. Kasi imaginein mo, pag naging empleyado ka, 15 katapusan pa ang sweldo. Dito kay Live Good, linggo-linggo ang sahod. Okay? So, this is your instant cash flow. Can you please type cash flow dyan sa ating pong comment section? Ito yung income na pinakamabilis na magbibigay po sa inyo ng resulta. So, this is your money this week. Yan po yung kikitain nyo po this week. So para mas maintindihan po natin, ako dito po ako humataw. Yung naalala ko, yung pinaka biggest income ko dito sa isang first week, nag-earn po ako ng $927. And there was even a week na $1,000+ po talaga linggo-linggo. Dito pa lang sa weekly fast start bonus. Ayan, so yun po yung instant cash flow. So, paano nangyari yan? Okay, so ito po yun, $25 bonuses for every referral. No auto ship, no quotas, no volume requirements. Ganun po siya kaganda. That's how amazing the opportunity is. Palakpakan po natin si Live Good. Ayan po, so kung nakakalimutan na po nating ma-excite, ngayong gabi, mag-yes po tayo sa excitement dahil hindi lang po ito excitement, kundi bigyan po natin ito ng deeper meaning. Deeper meaning na, alam mo yun, nandun tayo na napapaikutan tayo sa mga problems, bakit wala tayong income, pero bakit hindi natin isipin na, oo nga, ang dali-dali lang naman i-share ng opportunity kay Live Good, ang liit-liit ng entry fee. Isipin mo, ang babalik sa'yo, kalahati ibibigay. Hello, can you please say yes to this? Can you please say yes to cash flow? So, $25 for each person. So meaning to say, pag nag-enroll ka ng 10 tao, meron kang babalik na $250 bonus. So kung nag-enroll ka ng 10 people in 1 month, meron kang additional $250 in 1 month. Paano kung hindi siya 1 month? Ginawa mo siyang 1 linggo. Di mas malaki, ang saya-saya, $250 per week. Grabe po yon. So, ganun po umaandar ang ating pong weekly fast start bonus. And the good thing is, you can refer unlimited directs. So, depende po sa hataw po natin. So, ako super excited na po ako talaga sa automation. Okay, so now let's continue. We can enroll infinite-wide. Ibig sabihin, you can enroll as many as you can. Kahit 100 pa yan, 200 pa yan, 1,000 pa yan, 1,000 pa yan, you keep enrolling people, suyurin mo yung lugar mo, mix, suyurin mo yung buong Pagadian, humataw ka umaga hanggang gabi. Ay grabe, ewan ko na lang kung anong mangyayari sa'yo, diamond ka, partner. Diamond ka talaga, kahit sa Pagadian pa lang, magda-diamond ka na kasi 2,500 na tao pa lang yan. Understood, Live Good Family? So, ibig sabihin, nawalan lang po tayo ng fire. Kaya ngayon, paapuyin po natin. Ganun po kaganda ang ating pong opportunity. Partida, number 1 pa lang po yan. So, but wait, there's more. Kasi, yaan ay direct. Pero tingnan niyo po itong graph na to. So, pinakikita po dyan na mayroon po tayo ditong mga ranking titles, no? So, nag-umpisa siya sa unrank, meaning to say, pag unrank ka, 50%, yung direct mo pa lang ang ma-earn mo, which is $25. However, pag nagpo-promote ka na, nale-level up ka na, nagra-rank up ka na, naging bronze ka, and that's only 2 people. Dalawang direct lang po yan. Meaning to say, yung in-enroll mo, meron kang 10%. At pag ikaw naman po ay nag-silver, ibig sabihin nasa 20 tao po ito. Okay, may mga qualifications po dyan. Mamaya po at the end of the presentation, screenshot nyo po yung ating pong criterion. Pero dito as silver, meaning to say, second level, third level at saka fourth level, madadagdagan po ng 5%. So 20 people group title lang po ito sa grupo, buong grupo. So yung gold naman po is madadagdagan ka ng additional 3% sa 5th level at 2% sa 6th level. So that's the gold, 100 po na tao yan. May mga qualifications lang. Later on po, screenshot nyo po yung ating pong screenshot nyo po ang ating pong mga qualifications. So this will be discussed on one of our trainings also. So kaya stay tuned po kayo kasi nandito po tayo sa automation po, period. Nasa automation stage po tayo ng ating pong onboarding, na meaning to say, hindi na kayo mahihirapan para turuan nyo po ang grupo nyo kasi meron na po tayong sarili po nating trainings, duplicatable trainings dito po sa Soaring Eagles International na pagdadalhan nyo po ng inyo pong mga tao para ma-learn po sila, para mag-grow po sila. Yung bang hindi ka mahirapan na maturuan sila ng tama para gawin ang business. And then sa Platinum, 500 total team, no? Additional 2% and 1% sa 8th level at saka sa 7th level at saka sa 8th level. Sa Diamond naman, this is the 9th and 10th level na dadagdagan po tayo ng additional 1% and 1%. So ano po ang nakita niyo po dito sa graph? The higher the rank is, the deeper the unilevel is. So yun po yung ating pong weekly fast start bonus. So naintindihan po, grabe no? For each person na nai-enroll natin, meron po tayong 50%, which is $25 na ipipay out po sa atin every week, plus the unilevel bonuses depending upon on our rank. So, grabe no? So, sabi dito ni Lani May Mendoza, yes to cash flow. Ayan po. So, pwede bang mag-type tayo ng yes to cash flow dito po sa ating pong weekly fast start bonus. So, meaning to say, okay, silipin ulit natin, ganyan po kalaki yung ating pong mga ma-earn. So, $25 sa first level, sa bronze, additional 5%, $5, silver $2.50. Grabe, saan mo pupulutin yung opportunity? Na pag nagbi-build po tayo, para lang po tayong namumulot ng mga dollar dyan sa ating pong 10th level organization. So palakpakan po natin si Live Good. Ayan po, pwede nyo pong i-screenshot yan para pag bulay-bulayan, pag nilay-nilayan nyo po yan. Kasi alam nyo yung diamond level, libo-libo po yan. So what if ang 10th level mo ay nasa 2,000 na tao pala? So 2,000 times 50 cents, magkano po yun? So, computein nyo nga po. So, wag nyo pong isipin na, ay, ang liit, 50 cents lang. So, what about if yung 10th level mo ay nasa 2,000 people, eh may 50 cents ka dyan. So, may $1,000 po tayo. Hello? $1,000 times 59, magkano yan? 59,000 pesos. Ganun po kalaki ang opportunity dito po sa ating pong Unilevel. Palakpakan po natin si Live Good. Grabe, no? So, yan. So, yes to cash flow. Yes to cash flow po tayo. So, the next one is the Matrix Commission. Ako, this is one of my favorite, no? So, ito po yung heart and soul ng ating pong pay plan. Yung matrix or monthly residual income, which is the passive income, ito yung minsan lang natin gagawin, okay? Hindi naman po ito for the rest of our life. Hahatawin mo siya, pero babayaran ka ni Live Good ng month after month after month after month. Are you excited on that? Hello? Bibuild mo siya in the next 3 to 5 years. Pero for the rest, no, of our life, binabayaran na po tayo ni Live Good. Kaya tinawag po siya na residual income. Kasi sa matrix, kahit hindi ikaw ang nagpasok, okay, na spill over lang po yan sa inyo, kikita pa rin po tayo. Hello? Okay. Kahit, kumbaga, si upline, halimbawa, kagaya sa akin, dati nung nag-umpisa, I have over 100 directs. Maraming nalagas. Kasi hindi ko na rin sila nabantayan eh. Hindi ko na rin naturuan. Hindi ko rin masisi eh, no? Kasi talagang na-busy sa hataw. Kaya ngayon, sinisimplify po natin yung ating pong structure. So, ngayon, halimbawa, kagaya po sa akin, nag-enroll po ako ng, let us say, hindi lang 2, 3, 4, 10. Saan malalaglag po yun? 'Di ba sa ibaba? So, ganun po ang ibig sabihin po ng spillover. So, sa matrix, kahit hindi ikaw ang nag-enroll, basta nasa ilalim ng matrix mo, may buwan-buwan kang papasok na income as long as active ka. Okay. Ito yung long-term predictable income because time will come na kahit tulog ka, kahit nagbabakasyon ka, kahit naglalakwat ka sa buong mundo, may ginagawa ka man o wala, may pumapasok na monthly residual income sa'yo. So, this is your retirement-like income. Grabe, no? Para kang retired na dito. Grabe. Woohoo! Sino sa inyo ang excited na magre-retire kayo in the next 3 to 5 years? So, I want to retire at the age of 60. So, siguro mga 63 naman or 62. So, gusto nyo ba yon? Para at least yung kaya mo pang magbuhat ng trolley mo, kaya mo pang umikot-ikot, lumakwatsa, malakas ka pa, no? Makakapag-travel ka pa. So, yun. So, para maintindihan po natin yung matrix income, na ang tawag ko po dito is passive income, ito yung lahat ng taong pumapasok po sa entire organizations po natin, binabayaran po tayo dito ng 25 cents dollar. And guys, no, I would like you to understand na para po tayo ay maging successful kay Live Good, buksan po natin yung isip natin na magkaroon po tayo ng full awareness. Can you please type the word awareness? Na magkaroon po tayo ng full awareness na yung pinasok po nating network marketing, ang ibig sabihin po ay leveraging. Okay? Ako, what I love with network marketing is the word leverage. And how are you going to leverage yourself? You could only leverage yourself if you teach them to duplicate properly. At ang network marketing, tandaan po natin, everything duplicates. Good or bad, right or wrong, positive, negative, nagdo-duplicate. Kaya pakaingat-ingatan po natin sa ating pong pag-bounce back, yung uri po ng duplication po natin. The first wave ng Live Good Philippines, medyo gumewang tayo kasi mali po yung duplication natin. Tama? Yung po yung mindset na kikita ka ng wala kang gagawin. Hello? Ngayon, kikita ka kung meron kang gagawin. Are you with me? At ang atin po ditong hyping is education is the next big hype. Dito, we are going to educate people to do correctly. So ito, ikaw to, mag-i-enroll ka ng dalawa. Ang ating pong strategy, maraming strategy ha, Live Good Family. But the simplest, the doable, the most duplicatable na strategy, the simplest one is the power of two. Na kung saan, ikaw to, you will enroll two. And you will teach the two to get two. And repeat. So meaning to say, pag nakapag-enroll ka na ng dalawa at naturuan mo yung dalawa mo na mag-bronze din, enroll ka uli ng another two. So you keep on duplicating yourself na as you duplicate, 'di ba? The two, you get the two to get two and repeat. Imagine mo, two, you get the two and teach the two to get two and repeat. Nagdo-duplicate ka. Imaginein mo, up to the 13th level, kasi bronze ka nga, ilan na ang income mo dyan. At habang ikaw ay nagraranggo, no, nagrarank up ka, lumalalim ang inyong matrix income. So it's just how simple it is, no, that the word is duplication. Can you please type sa ating comment section the word duplicate? So dito, yung duplication strategy natin is the power of two. I'm not saying na dalawa lang ang kukunin mo. Ang sinasabi natin dito is you can enroll 3, 5, 10, 20, but the strategy, no, na mindset na ituturo natin sa tao is at least mag-enroll sila ng dalawa. Kasi kung itong dalawa na to ma-duplicate down the line, I will show you on how would we attain the so-called financial freedom. Kasi isipin mo ha, yung dalawa, tinuruan mong kumuha ng dalawa, it becomes 4, it becomes 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256. And this is very biblical. Dahil si Adam and Eve, mundo. Nanay tatay natin, tayo. So, even the simple power of two, dito natin maa-attain yung tinatawag nating residual income, passive income, that we could earn from $2,000 up to $16,000 month after month, depending upon on our rank. Hello? Where can you find a certain simple business platform as low as $10 a month, 3,000 pesos to join? Pwede kang kumita ng $2,000 up to $16,000 a month. Inhale, exhale po tayo dyan. Magnilay-nilay po tayo dyan. Ako hanggang ngayon, hindi po ako makapaniwala na sa napaka-simpleng business na meron kay Live Good, grabe yung ibinalik, grabe yung binabalik, at grabe pa yung ibabalik. As long as bibigyan po natin ito ng commitment, ng focus, ng disiplina, ng determinasyon, ng dedikasyon, ng consistency, lahat ayusin mo sarili mo. Kaya dito, bago mo i-build ang business mo, i-build mo muna ang sarili mo. Dahil pag binild mo ang sarili mo, maiintindihan mo yung tamang kaparaanan para i-build ang business mo. Palakpakan po natin si Live Good. I hope you are getting on this. Live Good family, are you getting on this? Can you please put your heart emoji on the comment section? Okay, so ngayon papakita ko po sa inyo na pag ginawa po natin ito ng tama, okay, ito po yung simpleng mantra na itinuro ko since time I started Live Good. Go for bronze on your first week, pass it on and maximize the matrix. Grabe po, ito po talaga noon pa to. Nung nag-umpisa po ako kay Live Good, ito na po yung tinuro kong duplication. Kahit mag-bronze ka lang, utang na loob. At ituro mo sa lahat ng sumali, mag-bronze lang sila. Pag walang patid na puro bronze yan, alam nyo po ba na pwede tayong kumita ng $2,000 up to $16,000 in a matter of 3 months, 4 months, or in a matter of 1 year and 3 months? Hello? Apply, paano mangyayari yon? Look at this, Live Good family. On your first week, nag-enroll ka ng dalawa. Itong dalawa na to, tinuruan mo. Beshi, dalawa lang din uli. Naging 4 sa week 2. Itong 4 na to na bago, ang laging itinuturo natin, go for bronze in your first week. And pass it on. Turo mo din na lahat ng bago, dala-dalawa lang sa unang linggo. Kahit dala-dalawa na lang, pero tuloy-tuloy na nagdo-duplicate. Alam nyo ba, tamang aksyon, tamang strategy, tamang direksyon na may clarity, nagbibigay po sa atin ng laya ng $2,000 up to $16,000 month after month after month. Yan po yung bagay na hindi po natin naiintindihan ng marami. Walang klaro. Pero kung naintindihan po natin ng may clarity, ito po, ang dali po ng direksyon. Hindi po tayo maliligaw. The simple power of 2, teaching the 2 to get 2 and repeat. Teach the 2 to get 2 and repeat. Imaginein mo yon, mapupuno ang matrix. Lahat ng sasali, kahit dala-dalawa lang, aandar ang ating matrix. Kaya hindi po umandar ang ating pong matrix kasi lahat halos nag-antayan ng spillover. Wala nang kumilos. Kaya yung ating matrix, ampaw, butas, walang laman. Bakit? Hindi tayo nag-duplicate. Hindi tayo na leverage. So I hope, no, itong ating pong part na to na intindihan po natin na mahusay. Klaro po ba? Klaro? Okay? So klaro po ba tayo mga coaches? It's just a simple power of 2. Can you please type power of 2? Imagine mo lahat tayo nag-enroll lang tagdadalawa. Ang goal lang natin dito is mapuno ang matrix. Pag napuno ang matrix, $2,000 to $16,000, tayong mga Pinoy, masaya na ba tayo doon? Hello? Wala pong maghihirap na may bahay, no? Kung lahat po tayo ay nagpa-power of 2. Nagpa-power of 2, lahat po tayo nagiging healthy kasi nabibili po natin yung mga supplement nabubuhay po tayo ng gusto natin because we have this amazing opportunity to have a passive income with Live Good. The simple power of 2. Go for bronze in your first week. In your first week, pass it on and maximize the matrix. But wait, there's more. Okay? So I hope na clear po tayo dito. The third way to earn is the matching bonus. Ito naman po yung isa sa pinakagusto ko dahil ito po yung royalty bonus. Grabe, no? Ito yung business na pwede po tayong magkaroon ng unlimited income. Kaya ko po siya tinawag na unlimited income because you could build as many leaders as you can. Ang tatandaan mo, sa bawat leader na binibuild mo, meron kang mga generational bonuses na nakukuha dyan. At itong matching bonus, this is the main dish of the pay plan. Kumbaga, sa putahe, ito yung pinakamasarap. Okay? Ito yung pinaka-pitmalo. Okay? So ngayon, paano si matching bonus apply? Simple lamang po yan, mag-build po tayo ng tao. Ngayon, ang tanong, apply, paano ko i-build ang tao? Don't you worry, because we have a system. Anong ibig sabihin? Anong system? Observe natin yung duplication code. Mamaya, ituturo po natin yan. So, dito sa matching bonus, paano yan? Sa lahat ng directs mo, meron kang 50% sa matrix nila. Kaya kung magkano yung matrix income nila, kalahati nun akyat po sa inyo. So, example, kumikita sila ng $300, edi 150 sa'yo. 120, si Sam may $60 ka. Si Joe, merong $400, may $200 ka. Si Leia, meron siyang 220, may $110 ka. But wait, there's more. Sa direct mo pa lang yan. So, what about if, no? Meron ka pang income sa generational bonuses mo. And what about if hindi lang itong 4 na to ang direct mo? Infinite wide. Ibig sabihin, you can enroll as many as you can. That's why we call this one as unlimited income. Meaning to say, gusto mo pang mas malaki ang income mo, damihan mo yung leaders na i-build mo. And that is my direction for 2026. So now, let's take a look on this. So, why is this so powerful? Because lahat ng mga silver, gold, platinum, Diamond, sa entire organization mo, meron ka pang additional na 10%, 5%, 5%, 3%, up to the 5th generation ng entire organization mo. Grabe, no? Parang semi-infinite po ito, sa totoo lang. Hindi lang po ito 10th level, 15th level. Kasi generational bonuses po ito. First gen, second generation, third generation, fifth generation. So, example, bigyan ko lang po kayo ng simpleng paliwanag, ano? Meron kang 10 direct, 10 ang laman na tao, each one is kumikita ng $100, yung direct mo, 50% is sa'yo, meron kang $50 each, so meron kang $500. So dito naman po sa second level, example, yung second generation mo, second generation po hindi second level, second generation, meron kang 10 silver. At yung bawat silver na yan, ang laman ng kanyang organization ay may tigwa 100. Alam mo ba na let us say each one is earning $100. For easy discussion lang po ito. 10% ng $100 is $10. 100 sila na team mo na laman. So magkano ang generational bonus mo dito? $1,000. And that is, my friend, the reason behind bakit sa matching bonus nagta times 5, times 10, times 20, times 30, times 50 pa nga yung matching bonuses. Kumbaga, yung matrix mo, halimbawa titingnan mo, matrix mo is $1,000, minsan pwede pa siya maging $30,000 pagdating po sa generational bonuses at saka sa matching bonus. Ang hirap unawain, pero that's how it works, no? Okay, so palakpakan po natin si Live Good. Ito po talaga yung pinaka main dish po ng pay plan. Kaya I really believe on giving a proper trainings to the group. That's why, my Live Good family, sana wag kayong mauta sa akin, wag kayong magsawa sa katuturo ko, kasi naniniwala ako na lalago tayo dito pag may yung dalawang bagay, obserbahan po natin, and that is the duplication code. The duplication code natin dito sa Soaring Eagles International is number 1, GPS, para mag-grow ka. Number 2 is the power of 2. Pag itong dalawang to, nag-plug in ka, you are guided to become successful, na-educate ka, na-learn ka, nag-grow ka, nagiging better leader ka, at ginagawa mo yung simpleng power of 2, yung dalawa na yan is more than enough for you to have a stable income in Live Good. Okay? And last but not the least, okay, ito po yung diamond pool. Pero bago po dyan, kung talagang nakita mo na magandang opportunity ng Live Good, enroll mo yung asawa at anak mo or nanay at tatay mo. Dahil dito sa three heads strategy, okay, or those single account po tayo, sa three heads strategy, pwede po kayong kumita potentially ng 573,000 pesos. So, potential, pag sinabi pong word na potential, probability po ito, no? This is not a promise. It's the probability. Okay. So, last but not the least, ito po yung diamond bonus pool. Ang diamond bonus pool is, ang tawag ko po dyan is para po siyang co-owner income. Because 2% ng profit share ng buong mundo, pinaghahati-hatian po yan ng mga diamonds equally kung magkano po yung 2% na yan. So this is your profit sharing, this is your legacy income, this is your ownership income. Ito yung income na hindi mo lang pinaghirapan. Pinaghirapan mo once, no? Pero bayad ka as long as the whole companies grow. So, diamond ka, imaginein mo, hinataw mo ng let us say, halos wala kang tulog ng 3 to 6 months, grind mo to, pero pag naging diamond ka naman na, month after month, meron kang profit share. And the good thing is, wait, there's more. Sabi ni Sir Ben Glinsky, pag umabot po tayo ng 10 million pataas, 10 million, 20 million members, the profit sharing of a diamond hindi po bababa sa $10,000 a month. Gaano mo ka gusto na kumita ng $10,000 a month sa profit share pa lang? Hello? Alam nyo, napansin ko, no? Minsan kasi, hindi minsan, kadalasan, Maraming tao hindi makapaniwala na sa simpleng 3,000 pesos, yeah, totoo, mag-ha-half million ka ng profit share alone. They cannot believe that that is the probability. Okay? So ako sobrang naniniwala po ako dito because the highest diamond pool I received was almost $6,000 nung nag-uumpisa pa lang yon. So meaning to say, yung sinasabi ni Sir Ben Glinsky na $10,000 is a big probability. Kaya galingan po natin guys. Galingan natin na pagdating ng 2026, bounce back na tayo. Okay? So, amen to that. Okay. So, diamond pool, as simple as that, no? Yung 2% nakita ng buong mundo, equally divided ng mga diamond. So, ipagpalagay natin, ang total monthly sales ni Live Good ay $50 million times 2%, that is $1 million. Pagpalagay natin may 200 na diamond sa buong mundo, divide natin yan sa 200, yung 1,000,000 na 2%, that is $5,000. Happy ka na ba sa $5,000 profit share? Okay ka na ba doon? Hello, mga coaches. Are you inspired with the $5,000 profit share? Only in Live Good. At pag nag-crown diamond, syempre, grabe no, 0.5%. Ang laki po nito sobra. At sa Pilipinas ay sa buong mundo may 3 pa lang na Crown Diamond. Kaya yung Crown Diamond natin dito sa Pilipinas, so is Coach Fernan Santiago, ay talagang tiba-tiba. Kasi isa siya sa pangalawang Crown Diamond sa buong mundo. So palakpakan po natin yung ating pong mga Crown Diamonds. So, maganda po ba yung opportunity? Sobrang ganda. So mga makikinig po nito, mag-pre-enroll na po kayo kasi the earlier kayo na nagdesisyon na nag-pre-enroll, mas mauuna po kayong maposisyon sa ating pong matrix kahit sa Friday pa po kayo magbayad, which is our cut-off. Ang goal po dito is mag-pre-enroll ka, wala namang bayad, pero mauuna po kayong maposisyon sa matrix. And always take note, more than 2 million pa lang po tayo. More than 2 million na po tayo. And nasa tip of the iceberg pa lang si Live Good. The next big thing is about to happen. So paano kung nagaya na tayo sa Netflix? Paano pag nagaya na tayo sa Amazon, sa Costco, na over 100 million na ang mga members? Think big. Ano kaya ang possible na mangyayari sa'yo kung kasama ka dyan, nandiyan ka pa, nag-diamond ka dyan sa pagbulusok ni Live Good. So, congratulations. Okay, so ito po yung sinasabi ko po sa inyo na rank qualifications. Kindly screenshot this one. Pag-aralan na lang po natin. Hindi ko po yan ipapaliwanag ngayon. But in one of our future trainings, I'm going to discuss this sa ating pong detailed compensation plan. So, paki-screenshot nyo po ito para maintindihan nyo paano ba mag-rank up kung ikaw ay sumali ngayon, paano ka ba maging silver, paano ka ba maging gold, paano mag-platinum, mag-diamond, at maging crown diamond. So, that's it, no? And there are 10 reasons bakit po tayo magjo-join kay Live Good. Wholesale price, okay? On high-quality supplements, affordable membership, lucrative affiliate program with a simple system, a proven who get two duplication model, kasi biblical nga po, nanay tatay natin tayo. Global business opportunity, grabe, hindi lang sa Pilipinas. No auto ship or hard selling. First mover advantage, mga pioneer pa po tayo. If you are in front of the trend, chances really is to become very successful. And residual income ang long-term stability. Done for you marketing system, grabe, no? And trusted leadership and transparency. So, we're done already. So, sa mga members po natin at sa mga makikinig po sa atin dito, are you saying yes to your future and Live Good? Can you please type A if you want to become diamond? Can you please type B if you just want to keep silent? And letter C if you want to become nonchalant. Parang, I just want to become an observer. Binago ni Upline ang term no? So, type nyo po yung A, B, or C po kayo dyan. Okay? So, maraming salamat po sa ating lahat. Go to the person, kwentuhan po tayo bago tayo maghiwa-hiwalay. May kasabihan nga po, if we receive something of great value, it is our moral responsibility to share it to other people. So, sa mga nakikinig po sa atin dyan sa live, i-share nyo po po ang Live Good. At para sa mga hindi pa po nakakaalam ng Live Good, aba. Pray tayo ng pray na bigyan po tayo ni Lord ng blessings ang hindi po natin alam. Paulit-ulit na nating nakikita sa ating pong timeline itong Live Good na to, pero binabaliwala lang po natin. At para sa mga miyembro naman po ng Live Good na tumigil na, okay? So, kasi na-misled po tayo. Kumbaga naturuan po tayo ng mali. Okay lang po 'yun kasi wala naman pong buhay na perpekto. Ang hindi lang po ayos kung nadapa tayo, hindi tayo babangon. So may napakagandang opportunity po na iminigay ang Diyos po sa atin. Ang gagawin po lang natin, palaguin natin ito at tayo po ay magsama-sama, gawin po natin ang Live Good to the next level. And 4 steps, paano po tayo dito gagawin? Number 1, mangarap ka muli. Define your why. Your purpose fuels your persistence. So kung maliwanag ang why, your how to is very easy. Ako po kasi, pangarap ko po talaga is mag-travel. Inumpisahan ko na po mag-travel this year. I went to China and then I've been into, saan ba to? Hong Kong. So next year may mga travel goals po ako. Alam mo pag siyempre maraming pangarap no, pero pag maliwanag yung why po natin, sisipagan mo eh. Hello, tama ba mga coaches? Halimbawa, pangarap mo, makapagpatayo ka ng bahay, makapagkaroon ka ng charity, or mapagtapos mo yung anak mo, makabili ka ng sasakyan, whatever your why is, 'di ba? Yun yung mag-i-ignite po ng heart po natin. And number 2, be willing to learn. Promise, you learn first and then earning will follow. Okay? Maging humble po tayo, maging coachable po tayo because growth starts with humility. And number 3, follow directions and obey. Trust the system. May system po tayo because mindset plus strategy equals success. Kaya kung ang mind natin, ginaguide natin through GPS at yung strategy, no-obey natin yung power of 2, ay power. Talagang lalaki at lalaki po tayo. And last but not the least is take massive action. Stay coachable, don't wait for motivation, move with discipline. Ang lagi po natin tatandaan, dalawa lang taong hinahanap po natin. Okay? Pag hindi sila dito nag-belong, go to the next. Okay po? Number 1, product members. Ito po yung mga tao na gusto pong maging healthy at makatipid po ng pera. Ilan ang mga kakilala mong may rayuma? Ilan ang kakilala mong may high blood? Ilan yung mga kakilala mong hindi nakakatulog? Ilan yung mga kakilala mong unhealthy? Ilan yung mga kakilala mong palainom na kailangan nila ng liver support? 'Di ba? Ilan yung mga kakilala mo na gustong bumata? Meron tayong mga skincare products. So, look for the people who will be in need of the products. Okay? And number 2, okay, itong mga product members na to, pag sila po ay naging member at na-enjoy nila, nagsalita sa kanila yung products, alam mo ba ang susunod? They will just build the business. Marami po akong mga tuloy-tuloy pa pong subscribe ngayon kasi yung product po ay nagsalita po sa kanila. And number 2 is the affiliate member. Ito po yung mga tao na gusto po ng smart income while helping people. They become affiliates, they are the promoters, and they are the builders. Tandaan po natin, ang business po natin, simple, affordable, duplicatable, and madali lang. Okay? And what else, no? The duplication code, ito po yung pinaka-importanting maintindihan po natin para lumago ang ating pong business, i-master po natin yung GPS formula. This is the guided path to success. This is your foundation. This is your daily rhythm. My Live Good family, 2 times a week na lang po ang ating pong Zoom. Hindi po ito nakakapagod. Okay? Every Tuesday is our powerful Zoom. Ito po yung araw na to. At pagdating ng Friday is our powerful masterclass. At yun naman po yung ating pong training programs. Meron po tayong mga recorded Zooms, nasa YouTube ko po. At kung kayo naman po ay active member ng Live Good, join po kayo sa Soaring Eagles International University. Kasi po yung academy, ginawa ko na pong public. At yung university po natin, naka-private po yon dahil in preparation po yon sa ating pong automation duplication. Sa ating pong onboarding duplication. So, yan po, mag-join po kayo doon para yung mga previous trainings po natin na naka-record, you could watch over there. At yung atin naman pong mga recorded Zoom, pwede nyo pong i-share yon sa mga prospects po ninyo. Okay? So when you do this, you create duplication, and duplication, it leads to stability. And number 2, the power of 2 strategy. This is the duplicatable growth plan. This is your engine for building your team fast, simple, and strong. Kasi kung lahat tayo magbo-bronze, magkakaroon po tayo ng residual income na $2,000 up to $16,000 potential. So you get to teach your two to get to support and repeat. Simple, attainable, duplication, and friendly. So, before we end, okay, hindi ko pa po nababago to, pero allow me to read. Ito po yung ating pong Soaring Eagles mission statement. To raise faith-driven leaders who are called to soar, empowered by wellness, anchored in purpose, and equipped to duplicate abundance across nations. So, disclaimer po tayo mga coaches. The information contained herein has been provided as an information service only. Not a financial advice or medical advice. The accuracy or completeness of the information is not warranted and is only as reliable as the sources from which it was obtained. Also note that the delivery or courier fees are not inclusive to product pricing, and the monthly subscription of $9.95 is a requirement to remain active member of Live Good. So thank you so much. We are already done, and congratulations to all of you who are still in the Zoom. Focus on working on yourself and you will attract of who you become. So maraming salamat. Congratulations. At sana po sa Friday, we will focus more on having a strategy. Paano natin ito tatapusin, at babanggitin ko na po ngayon, bago po matapos ang taon, ihanda nyo na po yung inyong 5 general. 5 general. Okay? Makipagkapi-kapi na kayo, makipag-date na kayo, mag-usap-usap na kayo, mag-planning na kayo, mag-banding kayo dyan, okay? Mag-goal setting kayo dyan. Kung kailangan nyo mag-overnight, mag-overnight kayo. Dahil pag nagawa mo yung 5 general mo, 5 generals, how I wish I could still fly to Cebu, no? Para magkita-kita po tayo. Hanap ako ng murang ticket, Coach Charlene. Coach Vic. Okay, para banding-banding lang tayo, pawiran lang po tayo. Okay, ganito, no? May 5 po tayong haligi. Okay? Pag itong 5 na to, in the first quarter of 2026, January, February, March, iset po natin yung 5 na yan para mag-silver. Utang laloob. Silver, ginawa ko po yan. 1 araw at kalahati. 1 day and a half, I become silver po. Ito gagawin po natin 3 months. May 5 ka na general. 5 silver. Ibig sabihin, first quarter, gold ka na. Hello? Madali o sobrang dali? Kaya hindi nagiging madali kasi hindi klaro. Pag hindi klaro, walang direksyon. Ang hirap. Pero kung yung structured tayo, nagkaroon tayo ng awareness, nagkaroon tayo ng alignment na ito ang gagawin natin, magmo-momentum po tayo. Yung 5 mo, are you still with me? Malapit na po ako matapos. Pagkatapos po ng first quarter, kung nagawa mo siya ng 1 month, 2 months, better for you. Pero let us say maging conservative po tayo. 3 months bago ginawang silver ng mga 5 mong general. On the next 3 months uli, April, May, and June, the same din ang gagawin ng 5 mo. Kukuha din sila ng 5 para maging general nila. Isi-silver nila din yun. So anong ranggo meron itong 5 na to? 'Di ba? Magiging gold. Hello? Gold until June. Na pagdating ng June, ano ka na? Kung may 5 kang gold, platinum ka na po. At pagdating ng July hanggang December, work natin na yung 5 gold na to mag-platinum, at ikaw naman po ay magda-diamond. So your diamond ship very conservatively, kung focused ito, laser focused, structured with duplication, discipline, determination, dedication, and commitment, ibig sabihin, magda-diamond ka before the year end 2026.